Hey YouTube fam, it's Fee Michelle. Today's going to be a kind of different type of video. I want to do a wig video. I said in a previous video, I love sew-ins. I'm a sew-in girl. I've been a sew-in girl for like 3 years now. I haven't worn a wig in a long time. And the reasoning behind it was I'm not good at applying wigs. I'm not like the way these girls like on TikTok and YouTube are melted, especially like a synthetic wig. Oh my gosh. Everybody seems to know how to put on a wig except me at this point. I've also been like watching Makeup by Shayla. Is it Makeup by Shayla or Makeup Shayla? I've been watching Makeup Shayla's TikToks where she says she gets hers sewn down. The only way I'll get mine sewn down is if it's a human hair wig, and I'm thinking of doing that actually. So we'll see about that. Mom says she'll sew it down for me if I do that. Until then, I've been giving a break on sew-ins. I have been wearing a sew-in consistently for about 6 or 7 months. And my edges, I need my edges. I have a big forehead, which you're about to see once I take this hat on. I have a huge forehead, which my mom told me I didn't have a big forehead, but okay. And I need my edges because the way it's keep pushing back, I do not want to look like Megamind, and I got time for that. So let's just get into the video. On TikTok, I've been seeing so many videos about wigs that I wanted to try one. So I bought 2 wigs. Today we're gonna be doing the Bare Lace by Sensational. I've been wearing wigs since I was like 20 years old. Yes, I'm still bad at putting them on. I don't know. My brain just does not when it comes to hair. Nothing clicks. It just does not click for me. When I tell you Sensational has come a long way, I'm so excited about this. This is the Bare Lace. It's a glueless wig. But I am going to spray it just a little bit. I got this Isha Melt Spray Slay. I got this from TikTok Shop. I'm excited to use this. It's a daily glueless spray. It dries fast, 24-hour hold, gentle on skin. I'm excited to use that. The presentation of it all. Get out of the pack. I almost may not need to. I was gonna pluck the hairline, but it's looking like I don't even have to do that. Like it has the baby hairs and everything, which I don't use the baby hairs. I'll show you what the inside of the cap looks like. It has an adjustable strap because it is glueless. There's 2 combs on the side and 1 in the back. And the material of this strap is nice for it to be a synthetic wig. I'm so excited. And then this is it. It's really pretty. By the touch of it, I feel like it will get tangled really quickly though, even though it is stunning. I really want to use this for my content. This is pretty. Now I'm going to try to set it up. I got this at my local hair store. It's the Tinted Lace Foaming Mousse. It's in light brown. I hope I'm even going to use this, just because the lace looks already so good. And then I got it for Christmas one year when I was wearing wigs heavily. My mom asked me what I wanted, and I told her I wanted the sewing scissors, and I still haven't opened them because apparently after that Christmas I stopped wearing wigs. Ones that have, so you can cut them and it'll have like that zigzag without you having to do the zigzag. See if I need to pluck anything. I don't think I need to pluck anything, which is good for me because I really don't know what I'm doing when I'm plucking. All right, that's it. I hope you can see that. All right, let's. Okay, I think I want a side part. Mind you, I have a big head. I may have to use that lace spray. Or I may not. Hold on. I have to hit the hot comb. Where people take the ear tabs off, I may do that. I think it'll look crazy. Yeah, this is gonna get tangled. I already know. The presentation of it is really nice, but I know that this is gonna get tangled eventually. Yeah, this is gonna have to be a content wig. Okay. This is stupid or not. Oh, that wasn't that bad. Try not to brush it out. All right, we're gonna use this melting spray. See that? That's why I don't like getting curly hair wigs. I don't like synthetic wigs where I have to fight it to wear it. And I'm fighting for my life. And it's already tangled. I haven't even worn it really. Anyways, let's just glue it down. I'm gonna glue it down, make some content, and I'm gonna take this off. We're gonna use the melt spray. I'm excited to use this. I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna try to just get my skin. But it kind of smells good. I do like putting on wigs. When it comes together like this, like, that looks decent. It looks decent from what I can't do. I don't like how this tangles. It's not terrible. Like, if you want some big hair just for the night or like a special occasion or something, this would be good. I predict if I wear this every day, I can't wear this every day. If I wore this, you know how like some synthetic wigs can last 2 weeks? I don't feel like this one will last 2 weeks because it's already like bunching up. But it's pretty once you get it like flat, all the things. I'm about to do my makeup and I'm gonna come right back to give the rest of my review. Now that I'm done with my makeup, when I was looking in another mirror and I was like, okay, I don't think I hate the hair. I think I just need to cut it. So I just got like some regular scissors and I put it together. I just chopped it off. And I think I like it a lot better shorter. Cause I don't know if I'm just at the age where I just like shorter hair, especially if it comes to a wig. Sewing, maybe I could do longer, but for the most part, but yeah, after wearing it for a little bit and cutting it, I don't hate it. I know it's going to tangle. Just what you get when you get a curly wig. Like I said, I don't remember getting this. And this is the Lace by Sensational. It's unit number 4. Let's see if you can see the card. Unit number 4. The lace is good. I have to pluck it just a little bit. I could have plucked it more, honestly. The lace is fine. I tinted the lace. The hair itself, it's not bad. I just know it's gonna tangle in like 3 days if I wear it consistently. Like I said, this is just gonna be for like making content with. Not my favorite, but it's also not that bad. I wouldn't buy it again, but if you do want to try it out, if you want something that's gonna be big and fluffy and you don't want to wear it repetitively, this would be a good wig. Like the styling of it is nice. Like it's not a bad wig. Like I said, I just feel like it's going to tangle, and that's just the risk you take when you have like long curly hair. Like the wig Letitia is pretty similar to this. Is it Letitia? Yeah, the wig Letitia is similar to this, but the quality is a lot better. I don't know what they did to Letitia, but homegirl is that wig is that girl, especially when you cut it. But this right here, like I said, it's not terrible, but it's already... All in all, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, share this video. Leave a comment down below on a wig that you recommend that I get, that I try. Or if you have any tips on how I can make my installs a lot better. I do want to get back into wearing wigs. I do want to graduate to wearing human hair wigs. There's a girl on here. Her name is It's Brit. Her name on IG is It's Brit. And she puts on wigs so effortlessly. And I just wish that I want to be that level of putting on a wig. So if you have any tips, tricks that you want to give, send them my way. If you have any creators that you recommend that's good for like people that don't know what they're doing, send them my way. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one. Bye y'all.